How to register account in series. You'll start by clicking on click here to enroll. At this point, you don't have an account, so this will be blank. You'll just click on Getting Started, and here you will enter your Lane email address. Be sure to use the Lane one. Click on Next. It says you can't find your school, so go ahead and click on Next. At that point, you'll look again for Lane CC, and it hasn't come up with Lane in Oregon, so you see where you select the state, drop this down, and you will find Oregon on the list. Select your school. School is Lane Community College. Your join code is on the page right here in Moodle, so it's HTW uppercase 718. You just can paste it right there. Okay, that's my join code, and click here to join, and then you click on Next. And fill out this contact information. Your activation code will come with your text. You will fill that in here. Once you've filled this in, down to the bottom, create your account, and you will be ready to get started in the class.